I'm camping alone again. This time, I grabbed the last campsite at Cape Lookout, but summer on the Oregon coast doesn't always mean sunshine. Will the fog lift? Can I even start a fire after last time's disaster? This trip is either going to be epic or a total bust. Let's find out. Back at Cape Lookout here on the Oregon coast. I spent a day up at Cannon Beach visiting family, so I thought, okay, let's book a campsite. And what do you know? I got the same campsite that I got last time. This might look a little familiar. The table's in a different position, but everything else is pretty much the same. Okay, tent is in the same place as last time, but it's a little further back, and table is here. It used to be over here. They moved it, and I've got my fire pit, and I've got a cozy little setup right here. 2 chairs, one's for my feet, one's for me to sit in, and then I've got my new table here. So a quick tip, if you're a solo camper, just bring 2 chairs and nobody will ever know. Okay, we're gonna have a slight different configuration. Bed's right here, toilet, and then just all my stuff in the corner. It's just the way the ground's situated. I think this might be a little better. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori and we're exploring my backyard here in Oregon. If you watched my last video when I was camping at Mount Hood, I had a hard time getting the fire started. The wood just didn't want to burn, but this wood here at Cape Lookout is awesome. So I'll show you when the fire gets a little bigger. Tonight we're having beef lasagna. I wanted to go easy again, so we'll see how this tastes. Okay, there's the lasagna before it's cooked. It smells really good, so this might be another winner. We'll see. Okay. Hopefully I didn't put too much water in there again. Got a nice looking fire right there. Okay, let's give this lasagna a taste test. I just wanted to show you. It's pretty hot. We have ourselves another winner. It's very good. It tastes just like lasagna. I'm gonna let it sit. It's a little hot and slightly, I wouldn't say soupy, but maybe it could probably soak up some more water. So I'm gonna let it sit there and we'll see how this tastes in just a few more minutes. nothing better than a candy bar next to a fire. I've been carrying this around for a few weeks, thinking I'd use it on a hike or something, but I haven't. So now it's dessert. Well, Cape Lookout, you tricked me. Fog rolled in, then warm sunshine took over. Fire refused to start last time, but this time, perfect flames. Turns out, the best trips are the ones you almost skip. If you're waiting for that perfect time to explore, don't. Just go. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. Until then, go chase your own wild.